If you want your home to look elevated and sophisticated, one of the #1 places you should go shopping is actually Dollar Tree. I know you probably don't believe me and you're probably saying this girl is full of BS, but I'm going to show you some new luxury items from Dollar Tree. Having a beautiful home doesn't have to be expensive, and I'm going to prove that to you today. I want to start today's video talking about the photo frames. So Dollar Tree has a myriad of photo frames, and some of them look really cheap and some of them look very sophisticated. And this is a new one, or at least to my stores. This one actually looks like a bone inlaid picture frame. This is a great addition to your nightstand, to your console, to your dresser, to anywhere where you like to display art or family photos. You can see that this is actually a printed on look, so you're not actually getting the mother of pearl or the bone or anything like that, but it is a great way to get that look of for less, because they use high gloss paper with this so that you get that shimmer that we love from those frames. This is also 5x7, and Dollar Tree does sell photo mats. So if you want to take this to the next level, you can just pick up those photo mats. I believe they sell them in a set of 2, and take this to the next level. And of course, you can always rip this off and mount these on the wall to create your own gallery wall. And since we're talking about photo frames, we have to talk about these. So these are photo frame puzzle pieces. And I know you're probably thinking, farmhouse, farmhouse, farmhouse. First of all, don't hate on people for liking farmhouse. People can like what they like and it's not your business. But this is not just something that you would use in a farmhouse aesthetic. This is actually something that can look super elevated. You can use a series of this to create a puzzle board effect on the wall with art, with family photos. And remember, you can spray paint these. Something I see people doing all the time on social media now is getting things like this and covering them on plaster on a canvas so that you get a really nice 3D piece of art. And that is something you can do with these. I'm actually using these in a client space right now to create a gallery wall, right? Because it will look like a disjointed puzzle. So it creates a ton of visual interest. And if you don't believe me, this was actually in Decor and Architectural Digest. So that is how good these have the potential to look. Now these come in black, but they also come in blue and white. So depending upon what color you like, you can use them. Now, what I will say is, even if you can't find something that is all the same color, these are made of plastic. So you can just use a spray primer and then spray paint on top of it to get it to be whatever color you want it to be. Now this has to be the most exciting Dollar Tree find of the day. And this is this LED hanging lamp. So this lamp has this little hook here, and it hangs, and it is battery operated. So all you have to do is pull the tab. I bought 13 of these, or 14, because I've never buy an odd number of anything because I'm horribly superstitious. But they do illuminate. They have a battery in them, and you can change the battery. It does give off cool daylight, so just keep that in mind. But you can use these to turn anything into a lamp. So you can put this in a dome-shaped bowl or something like that to create a pendant. You can also use this in vases upside down to serve as like a puck light for the puck light hack. The reason why I like this is, one, it comes with batteries and it's only $1.25. I have never ever seen a puck light that comes with batteries for an amount like that. They normally are upwards of $3, and you get this for just $1.25. They sell this in black, they have silver, and they have brass. And here is a look at that brass color in case you have a preference. Again, all you do is pull the tab, and then it's on. The difference here is that the black one has the cool light and the gold one does have the warmer light. So I think this is the one you're going to want to gravitate towards. Now, of course, you can use these outside and create like a nice string light sort of situation if you want to have an elevated experience outdoors. Since it's warming up, is it really? It's not warming up. It's warming up in my head, and we'll be outdoors soon. But again, I always use these in a vase or something like that to create my own lamp without having to find an electrical socket or doing any heavy DIY work. And since we're talking about picture frames, we also have to talk about this one that looks like a hammered metal. So they have the silver version, and I also saw a gold version, but I picked up the silver, and it gives you that really nice and sophisticated hammered look. And again, these would just look really fantastic in some form of gallery wall, in your hallway, or in your entryway. It is the new year, and that means people are into organization, and we all like aesthetic organization. We even want that to look sophisticated and luxurious. So the first way we're going to do that is with these rose gold push pins. You get a set of 30 for $1.25, and I love that they have a clear top and then the rose gold pin. They're just so simplistic. They're minimal. They're chic. I love this. And if you wanted to DIY a mirror or something like that, and you wanted the studded look, you could use these. You could put them into the mirror to create that studded frame, spray paint them, and then you get that look. No more, you know, turning googly eyes into studding or anything like that. You can just use these. Now, not only does Dollar Tree have these rose gold push pins, but they also have these ones that look like pearls. This This is a great way to amplify any piece of artwork, to make your bulletin board look more sophisticated, or just to have your office space looking nice and chic. Always remember that if you're in a rented space and you don't want to make huge holes in the wall, you can always use push pins to hang your artwork. So these are some really great options, and these you will barely notice the push pin at all because it is entirely clear. This is a way that I'm going to be hanging art this year for sure, because framing is just way too expensive. Now, of course, Dollar Tree has tons of candles, and I'm not going to go on and on about them because this video would be entirely too long, but something that is new to my Dollar Tree is this frosted glass candle holder. This is perfect for a little tea light, whether it's a real tea light or a battery operated one. This is going to look fantastic on your nightstand, on your coffee table, just to elevate your space a little bit more. When you have a little light in here, I just love the flicker of it. I don't have a light on hand, but I'll show you what it looks like if I put this face down on it. You can see it just gives off a really nice glow. Now, this is not a DIY I would do here because this bulb is too big, but the more you know. I really like this frosted glass little vase. You could use this on your dining table if you're trying to set it up for romantic dinner, kind of like they do at restaurants. This also makes for a really nice ring holder or jewelry holder on your nightstand if you need something like that. Another Dollar Tree product that always looks so high end to me is this candle holder. So this is a rectangular candle holder, and I just think it is so nice and cute because it comes with this concrete base and this gold frame. You can use it without the gold frame. There's no adhesive holding them together. And I honestly just like this on its own. It's great for a little candle. You can also use this for soap. I like to use this on my countertops for soap or for things like that. And when you leave this in here, you can also use this as a toothbrush holder. Your toothbrush will just lean on the side and it will stay put. So this is a really versatile piece that you can use in absolutely any space. Also, don't forget you could use this on your desk if you're going for a really nice modern desk setup, and you can hold your push pins in here and your paper clips in here and all things like that. When it comes to organization in general, Dollar Tree is really stepping it up. So first they have this container. This is actually in the kids, like the teaching section of Dollar Tree. So be sure to explore every section of Dollar Tree when you're looking for those high-end finds. But this is actually an expandable storage container. So it starts like this, and then it opens all the way up. This is great in your desk, but you can also use this in the kitchen for your utensils or for your miscellaneous items in the kitchen. This is also good in your bathroom if you're storing your bobby pins and things like that. And this will even look nice in your nightstand just to keep that area nice and organized so that you don't end up with all of that debris and stuff all over your nightstand where you can't even use it anymore. I'm also super stoked about this pencil holder. I just think that Dollar Tree is starting to produce items with more minimal colors, more simple colors. They used to only create things in like bright blue, bright pink, really bright colors. And there's nothing wrong with bright colors, but some of us want neutral homes, and that's why we were gravitating towards the Container Store and more expensive stores. But you don't have to do that anymore. This is a pencil holder. It's gray. It also comes in white and black. You can obviously use this for pencils. You can also use this for your coffee bar to hold your straws, to hold your packets of like sweeteners. You can use this really in any space to kind of elevate it. I just love that they are, again, creating things that are a little bit more simple. You can also use this for your makeup brushes on your bathroom countertop. They will just all fit in here and they won't even touch one another. So instead of using one of those glass containers where all the bristles end up touching, they can sit like this so they will stay nice and clean and you will know which one is which. Now, Dollar Tree has a very extensive electronics section. You probably know that, but they also now have a tablet stand. And of course you can use this tablet stand for your tablet, but there's so many other uses for this. First, you can use this to hold cookbooks in your kitchen. A lot of us like to have coffee table books and cookbooks in our kitchens, but there's no practical way to display them. Well, you can start using this tablet stand. Not only can you use that, for cookbooks, but you can also use it for coffee table books if you want to leave one open on your coffee table. This is the way to do so without having to pay an arm and a leg for an acrylic one. This can hold a pretty heavy book, and of course you can spray paint this or wrap this in peel and stick wallpaper to work better for your design style. Now, Danish pastel design is all of the rage right now, and if you don't know what that design style is, you basically have Scandinavian shapes and forms, but you also have pastel colors. I think that is the best way to put it. And people love getting those Lego pieces, those monochromatic Lego pieces, and turning them into furniture and storage boxes. So Dollar Tree actually has this. This is in the kids section. It is a kids storage box. And it's actually a really great storage container. It has 4 different sections here, so you can use this for beauty items, for makeup items, for arts and crafts, for medication. It really doesn't matter. But this is a great way to introduce that Lego texture with the top. Again, you can just give this a coat of spray paint, whether you're using a pastel color or whether you're using white spray paint or a white textured spray paint, you can get a really nice sophisticated look with this box. Again, Dollar Tree is all about reimagining those items with really, really simple DIYs. DIYs that don't require a drill or anything like that. Simple DIYs that anyone can do. And this box is a great start. Now, this is definitely new to my Dollar Tree, at least. This is this candle holder, but again, you could use this for your toothbrushes. You could use this as a little planter. You could just use this for styling on your coffee table. But this is a black and white candle holder, and they also had a polka dotted version, but I thought the striped version looked a lot more elevated. So you can use this for just about anything. I might stack it on top of some books with my candle snuffer or something like that for a nice easy coffee table styling. Now, this is not new to Dollar Tree, but this is one of my favorite hacks for getting a luxury look is using electrical tape. Electrical tape will not damage your wall, so it's a great way to get some peel and stick option when it comes to some wall decor. So whether you want to make zigzag shapes or you want to create like an outline of a mural or something, you can do that with this PVC electrical tape, and you get 50 feet per roll, which is absolutely fantastic. So you get 100 feet of this electrical tape, so you can do just about anything. I've seen people use this also to create like the window frame grid look on their windows, but you can also use this on your wall, like I said earlier, to create an effect. And you can even use this on their canvases at Dollar Tree to create some really nice mid-century or modern artwork. And now Dollar Tree has these stainless steel drinking straws. So if you want your coffee to look good, if you want your water to look good, if you just want to be a little bit more sustainable, they do have these straws. You get a pack of 4 straws and a straw cleaner for $1.25. I only use metal straws. They literally carry one in my bag. These are fantastic, and it's just going to make your cabinets look a little bit neater because you won't have all those colorful straws that you kind of stole from Starbucks. You will have these, which are reusable. They're not going to taste like soap, and they're better for the environment. The last organization item from Dollar Tree I want to chat about today is this hanging organizer tray. Again, a luxurious home is an organized home, and you can use this for your tools. You can use this in your office. You can use this for your makeup in your bathroom. You can use this absolutely anywhere to get yourself organized and to get all of that store all of those items off of your countertop. Something we see all the time is the countertops become really cluttered, but you can use it open wall space for your brushes, for your toothbrush, for your Q-tips, for whatever, so that you can reclaim that space on your vanity for pretty things, right? Because I like having pretty and practical things in the bathroom. It just brings me joy, and I'm sure it does for you as well. Okay, guys, that is it for today's video. Those were some high-end items from Dollar Tree that are new in 2023. I absolutely adore all of these products. I really, really believe they can help you in crafting a beautiful, luxurious looking home on a budget. What items from Dollar Tree are you picking up after today's video? I am so excited to put them all to use. If you like today's video, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and check me out on Instagram. And until next time, have a beautiful day.